and learn the law. And learn the law, and you better have probable cause before you run up on somebody. I am Tico. I am a graduate of the police academy. Okay, just like you years ago, you probably couldn't even pass the test.
While standing outside a 7-Eleven, a man was confronted by a police captain and sergeant for parking in a handicapped spot without a visible placard. Under Texas law, vehicles displaying disabled veteran plates are allowed to park in handicapped spots without needing a separate placard. The officers demanded identification, but the man refused, knowing he wasn't breaking any laws. He calmly explained that his disabled veteran plates gave him the right to park there. Despite the officers' insistence, they had no legal grounds to demand ID or accuse him of wrongdoing.
We see some ID.
No, what for?
I just asked you.
What's your probable cause to ask me for ID?
It does not have a handicap placard.
Read the plate, man. You don't even know what you're talking about. DV, that's disabled veteran plate. We can park in handicapped spots.
Let me see some ID, please.
No. You have no probable cause. You're going down a bad road here. Really?
I've asked you a question.
Okay.
And I have never seen anybody wear a police academy
That's your
graduation
business.
after
That's
they
your business.
graduate.
I wear it all the time. To do my training, and I can do that because I'm a graduate. I can wear the uniform.
Have you been certified as a peace officer?
Of course. I have my certification. What are you talking about? Why don't you run the plate? Why don't you run the plate? Run the plate, man. I gave you permission. And what did you see? You had to see the certification. You had to see it. You had to see it. You had to see it. Come on, man.
Certification isn't on your tag.
When you run my name, you can find it. Contact T-Cole. Why don't you contact them? You saw my name, call T-Cole. Go ahead.
Run it. Run his name.
Run it.
Run him.
Run it. Call T-Cole. But you have no justification or probable cause to run up on me. Yeah. You think it's going to be easy like that? No. It's not going to be like that.
That's fine.
To violate my right to wear my uniform. What are you running up on me for? What's your problem?
The captain, seemingly unaware of the applicable law, insisted that the man show identification or explain his actions further. According to Texas Penal Code, an individual is not required to provide identification unless lawfully arrested. The man stood firm, stating he had committed no crime and was under no obligation to comply with their demands. The lack of probable cause made the officers' actions questionable, and the man reminded them that parking laws had been in place for years. Despite their persistence, he maintained his position, frustrating the officers.
Who was the academy director when you were there?
Contact them.
Who is it?
Ask him. Navarro College, call him.
Well, the reason I did that,
call him.
I know they just graduated.
Call him. You could have done all of that. You could have done all of that while I was inside.
I don't know who you are.
I don't know who you are. Who are you? I know about Joshua Philippe PD. I know. Yeah.
Okay, you know what?
Yeah. So just go ahead and try it.
I don't have Alan's number.
Call them.
Yeah,
Call them.
Get him. When'd you graduate?
I don't have to tell you anything. Don't ask me any questions because I'm not answering.
Okay.
Yeah. What? Why? Why? You detaining me?
I don't want you to get hit by a car. Just
No,
stay
no.
over here.
Then my question is, are you detaining me?
I don't know what's going on.
Okay, so then don't tell me where to go. No, no, nope, nope, no.
I know you told me to pull up. I don't know what's going on.
Ask him.
He told me to stand over here with you. I don't even
Okay,
know
so
what's
you're
going
standing.
on.
So you're standing here, and I'm here. So what are you talking about? What are you asking me any questions for?
I'm not asking you.
Okay, what are you telling? Don't give me any instructions.
I was just asking you.
Don't give me any instructions.
Until we figure out
No.
what's going on.
Since he has no probable cause to stop me, and I'm not being detained, he's got 1 minute, and then I'm leaving.
I don't know. I don't even know what's going on.
Okay, well then why don't you find out? Because then I'm going to leave away from you.
Because my sergeant asked me to come over here, so I just
Okay,
came.
well, you need to find out because I'm going to walk away from you, get in my car, and drive away.
Well,
So you
do
need to
mind-
find out from him.
Okay, do you mind holding off on leaving until I find out what's going on to see if you ask him? Because that's my captain. He's in charge of this.
Okay,
if I ask him, find out if
he's not
detained or
he's not too smart because first of all, even you know, if I have disabled veteran plate, I can park in a handicapped
Yeah,
spot.
they just
Even
changed-
you know
they
that.
just changed
No,
that.
no, no, they didn't just change that.
Yeah,
It's
it
been that way.
started- Well, it started in September that it was that way.
No, sir. It's been that way for years. I've had this for 5 years.
Well,
It's already
as
been
far as
that way.
as far as I know,
And if he's a
September, they
captain,
changed
he
it.
should have known that, but he didn't.
I-
He just saw this, and he saw this, and he wanted to make a problem. That's your reputation there, Joshua. Come on, man. Yes, it is. How many black officers you got? One.
Yeah, we don't have one right now.
One.
Yeah, but,
I know. And
we
you
gonna
and,
hire
and
you
you
apply.
barely
We gonna
let him
hire you
in.
apply.
You barely let him in. Barely let him in. Barely let him in. And your reputation is already bad. From years ago, you had a corruption scandal. You had to get rid of a lot of your
I was gonna say, that was
PDs.
way before I got here.
And you got one amongst your ranks. Are you finished? I gotta go. Are you finished?
He said 1 second. Where's the corruption scandal?
The one where that chief.
He knows. He's playing games with you.
As the confrontation continued, the man revealed that he was a peace officer himself, certified by the Texas Commission on Law Enforcement. TCOL regulations state, certified peace officers have the same legal rights as any other citizen when off duty. This added another layer to the encounter, exposing the captain's ignorance of the law. The man's confidence in his legal standing clearly caught the officers off guard, as they had no grounds to challenge him further.
There's like here. Yeah.
He knows.
They probably like have Christmas here.
He knows. There's no sense of telling him. If he knows and he's a new guy, and you don't know, then there's something wrong with
Yeah,
you.
but he was ambulance here before then.
Yeah, did you check T-code? Did you call Navarro? Did you check T-code? Did you call Navarro?
He did call him.
Okay, so then, you're feeling small now, aren't you?
No, that's it.
You shouldn't run up on people. You have no probable cause. If you wanted to follow me and run my plate, you could have done that.
Talk to anybody?
Well, I don't have to talk to you.
And you did.
I don't have to talk to you. That's right. I already told you that. Waste my time and you. You're supposed to be a captain and you don't know the disabled plates have a right to park in a parking spot. And you violating people's rights, running up on them without probable cause. I'm in a uniform doing the same thing for you for free.
Alan Eddings, who was a captain.
So what? I don't care what he thinks. I'm a graduate and I have T-code certification. So I don't care what he says. I don't care what he says.
Are you a peace officer?
I have T-code
Are you a
certification.
PO?
I have T-code
You're not.
certification. Yes, I do. That's when you checked it.
It expired.
Who says who? My certification doesn't say expired. You want it to be expired because you see brown skin. So take a walk. Walk of shame. Walk of shame, Captain. Yeah, walk of shame. Don't run up on me again. Don't ever you run up on me again. Do you understand? Do you understand? And learn the law. And learn the law. And learn the law. And you better have probable cause before you run up on somebody in uniform.
'Cause
You don't have no reasonable suspicion because I'm on the same side of you.
No, you aren't. You
I
are
have Tico.
I don't
I am a
care.
graduate
Get
of the
the car.
police academy. Okay, just like you years ago. You probably couldn't even pass the test. Right
Get
now,
going.
you go. You get going. You get going. You get going. I'm a peace officer, and you had no probable cause.
Oh.
You had no probable cause to stop me. You had no probable cause. I have peace officer certification just like you. So go learn the law before you start teaching young people how to do the job. You're a bad example to the young fella over there. You don't even know the rules of parking.
By the end of the interaction, the man schooled the officers on their mistakes, particularly the captain, who lacked basic knowledge about disabled veteran parking rights. Under Texas law, officers are expected to know and uphold laws without infringing on citizens' rights based on incorrect assumptions. The man called out the captain's poor example, especially to the younger officer present. The officers were forced to walk away without taking further action, having been thoroughly educated on the law by the very man they tried to intimidate. Subscribe and share for more police cam stories. Watch the next recommended video. Click to watch now.